This is a video on how to get to the library page and use or find the library research database resources. So how you get to the library page, there's I believe 4 ways from the home page. You can click on the community tab, academics tab, student life tab, and then once you click on any one of those, will be a little yellow list on the right hand side, and you just click on library. Otherwise, if you're on the home page, you can go all the way to the bottom and find us under quick links also. Go ahead and click on that. So the online catalog, this is where you can search to see if there's a book in our library. If you want to see if it's here before you come check it out, or maybe we don't have it. So once you get here, you'll type in the book you want to check out. Go ahead and type it in, click enter. List of books, anything pertaining to whatever you put in the search bar there will pop up. So there's a handbook and Native American herbs. Over here it tells me that there's a 1 of 1 available. That means there's one book and one of them is available. So over here, let's see, we have the Sioux Chef's Indigenous Kitchen. So that tells me there's 2 books, but only one of them is available out of the 2. So how you find these books, the sublocation is where they are placed in the library. That means that this book will be in the Native American section. If you come in the library and you see on the end of the bookshelves, it'll say Native American, nonfiction, fiction, young adult fiction. I should say that on the end of those. So that tells you it's Native American. So this right here is the call number you'll be looking for on the side of the book. If you don't know how to read those, that's fine. Come find one of us in the library and we'll help you find the book. There's a book that we may not have and you would like for us to order it, and so you could check it out and bring it back when you're done reading. We can do that also. Now that we go back, let's go back to the web page here. Click it, closed it out. Let's go back to our page, library. So now we're going to go back to our page. Now we're going to go to online resources. Go ahead and online resources. Right here is where you're going to find all the research databases. This used to be all listed as, a link for each one of these. I just put them all in one link. So you'll have your CINAHL, ERIC, Business, Academic Search, Ultimate, and a lot more other databases within this one link that you'll be able to select or choose from to search for an article. Go ahead and click on this. Say we want to use Academic Search Premier. But we can go down and select whatever one we want to use from this list. Come back up here and click on Continue. So let's go ahead and type in... First one, we'll select full text and peer reviewed. Let's do picky eaters, because that's what comes to my mind. So now that we got all these articles that come up, let's say, this one looks like I could use this in my paper. I would want to talk about something this in my paper. Go ahead and click on PDF full text, or you can click on the link here. But let's see, sometimes when you click on that, it just shows this. So if I click on PDF full text, it's going to pop up the whole article. So this tells me there's 10 pages to this article. I kind of want to look through it, see if there's something that is pretty fascinating. I want to put this in my paper. I would love to use this in this picture and whatnot. I ask that you look through it, make sure it's something that you want and need if you're going to print it, because it is 10 pages. So if you print it, you can print it from here, and if you download it, you'll save a tree or two. Download it to your computer. You can look at it anytime you wish. And then you can also cite this over here on the right hand side. Looks like a little gold paper. You click on that, and then it's going to be, I think it's APA 7th edition that we do here at the college. But there's your reference right there. Your site. And if you're doing bibliography, you go to detailed record. And most of the information that you'll need for those should be here. If not, I mean, there's other ways to find it. I'm sure your instructor will let you know how to find those. There's images over here. You can also use those. You can save them, email, print, and cite. And there's other options here too. There's I don't think we have this one that works unless you pay for it, but it's the easiest, print or download your research results here. If there is a article that we don't have and I have to do an interlibrary loan, I can call the state and say, this student needs this article. So what you're going to do is you're going to send me the title, the authors, all the information I need to know about that, and then I can request it from the state, and they'll send it to us in the mail. It takes about 3 to 5 days for that to get here, if they can find it. Sometimes they're unable to find it, and we have to go without, but that will be our interlibrary loan. Even if there's a book that you wish that we had and we don't have, you need it, we can borrow it from another library. If that's something that you wish to do, we can do that also. So if you're off campus and you're trying to get onto these research databases, and there's going to be a barcode and a password that you will need to type in. I can't show you right now because it won't pop up on campus. So there's going to be a rectangle that pops up and it should say Odin, O-D-I-N, in all caps. And then you're going to search for the Sitting Bull College Library. You can either type it in or go down that long list that's, in that drop down arrow. I would type it in and be faster. So you'll select Sitting Bull College Library, and then you'll use the barcode and the password that I will be sending along with this, which should be below this video in your email today. There'll be a link that I'm sending you for this video, so it's always going to be there for you to refer back on how I went through and showed you how to get to our research databases and our online catalog. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask. Come see me. Right now it's just me and student worker, so if he's not out there, I'll be in my office, or find somebody else in the college or over in student services, and they'll come find us, let us know that you're here. If you need any help, my email is jody.thunderhawk@sittingbull.edu, or my line is 854-8058. Thank you.